Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. So today I have a data like a more atoms. So double name coming show as a atom name. So I want to make a shortcut key of unique record, like how to find a unique record in Excel sheet. Okay, select this atom's name. Okay, I want to find only one atom name show in a one row. So how many atom names go to the data tab? If you have opened a home tab, go to the data tab and find the advanced tool. Click on this advanced tool. You will see a dialog box. So check on the unique record only and hit OK button, and you will see in this all sheet you will find a 4 atom. Okay, if you click clear button, so your name again will be shown.